Dear viewers, welcome to another tutorial class, and right now I am going to take a class 1 verb, and you know that verb is the most important word in a sentence, and with the word verb we can express our opinion. And as for example, whenever we say go, so this is also a sentence and we are able here to express our opinion. And right now I am going to show you the classification of verb. That you can see the verb is divided into two classes. First, their principal verb and auxiliary verb, and the principal verb is divided into two classes, their transitive and intransitive, and auxiliary verb is also divided into two classes, their primary auxiliary or regular auxiliary and modal auxiliary or modals. And then transitive verb is also divided into two classes here, the finite verb and non-finite verb. And non-finite verb is divided into three classes, their infinitive, noun and participle. And finally, participle is divided into three classes again, their present participle, past participle and perfect participle. Okay viewers, now let me describe the terms. The first one, the principal verb. Look, I have written some examples here. He is a student. Here is the word is a principal verb, and he is teaching. Here teach is a principal verb, and he teaches regularly. Here the teach, the word teach is a principal verb. So how? The thing is that whenever you get a single verb in a sentence, no doubt this is a principal verb. As for example, the word is in the first sentence, and whenever two verbs are used in a sentence, one is auxiliary and the another one is principal. So here you have to remember that be verb, has verb, do verb and modals, they are generally used as auxiliary verb, and sometimes do verbs are directly used as principal verb, and without this all other verbs generally used as principal verbs. Okay, let me turn over the page. And the second one, auxiliary verb. I am driving a car. So you can see two verbs here, one is am and another is drive. So no doubt the am is a be verb and this is an auxiliary verb, and I have written more than two examples here, as you can see. And the number 3, this is transitive verb. So to know the transitive verb, you have to remember a Bengali term, that means shakarmo kriya. That means the verb which has object or an object. As for example, I eat rice. Here the verb eat, it has an object, and this is rice. So no doubt eat is a transitive verb. And number 4, intransitive verb. Intransitive verb means the verb which has no object. As for example, I go to school. Here the verb go, it has no object. So dear viewers, if you want to know the object, or if you want to find out the object of a verb, you have to ask the verb with what or whom. If you get any answer, or if you can ask question, then it will be, or you will get the answer. I mean, you will find out the object. Otherwise the sentence has no object. Okay, number 5, finite verb. Finite verb, if you want to know this, you have to know that means in Bangla samapika kriya. That means this sentence will give you a clear meaning. As for example, I take tea every afternoon. I take tea every afternoon. That means this is a sentence which give you a clear meaning. And let me turn over the page. Number 6, non-finite verb. Non-finite verb means the sentence will not give you a clear sense or meaning, or the sentence will not finish the work. As for example, I want to do the work. That means I want to do the work, but I haven't done the work yet. So the work is not complete. It is an incomplete work. So no doubt this is a non-finite verb. And number 7, infinitive. whenever you get 2 plus v1, you may take this as a structure. Always you will get this, that whenever you use 2 without any exception, then after that you have to use the v1, that means verb 1. So he's gone to do the work. So here do, this in infinitive 2. So G round. So the words that are formed with verbs but X as noun, so verb plus noun, and this is known as G round. As for example, swimming is a good exercise, so here swimming is a G round. And another example for you, I delayed telling Jerry the bad news. So number 9, this is participle. So participles are the verbs used as an adjective. As for example, a laughing man is better than an introvert. Laughing, the word laughing is an participle. But if you want to know the difference between G round and participle, you have to follow this, and this is helping verb or a, n or the plus b1, and this is participle. As for example, traveling is fun. So here traveling, this is this is a G round, and this is a G round because G round starts with v1 plus ing. And the second example, the traveling man stop. Here before traveling the has been used, so no doubt this is a participle. So dear viewers, I think you will be able or you will be benefited after watching this video. So thank you very much for staying with me, and again I would like to request you, please subscribe my channel, DLR Smart English Teaching Center. Thank you, all the best, Allah Hafiz.